Hey, Frank Galli from Sniper's Hide, and I just want to talk to you about the Ridgeline Suppressors. Just prior to SHOT Show, we're at SHOT Show right now. Just prior to SHOT Show, I was able to go out with Matt and actually shoot his suppressors, and I want to say they're truth to advertising. And I really do think 3D printing a suppressor is changing the entire dynamic of the industry that way. Baffles and machined versus 3D printing, there's no comparison right now. The sound is epically different. It's tonal different. It's a low tone that doesn't bother your ears. It's bassy, so you're not getting the tinny attacks that you would. Then you look at the accuracy they're getting on putting these 3D cans together and printing them, taking them on, taking them off, seeing the accuracy downrange. They're working exactly like the other cans. So in that respect, we're seeing every bit of that accuracy that you would expect from on to off and things like that. Then the cans are working. They're not throwing flyers. They're not doing weird things with your shots. They're not growing your group size. They're shrinking the group size, which is exactly what we want. And then I just want to talk about one other thing in 3D printing. The flow in design is so unique. You can't look at it as the same way as in a baffle stack. The flow is what's changing the sound, but it's also changing the heat pattern of the suppressor. They're able to pull air in from the back and from the outside, cool the front of the suppressor off to the point where you shoot it, reach up and grab it. That is unheard of for a regular suppressor. It's why we use covers to mitigate the heat. You don't need that with these 3D printed cans. And Inconel is just an indestructible material and things like that. The materials they're using, it's metal, right? So that's completely different. They're not 3D printing some carbon fiber or something weird. They're 3D printing metal. So I think 3D printing is going to change the suppressor industry from here on out. And everything I'm seeing from Ridgeline is truth in advertising, and I really like it. So look forward to seeing more out of Matt and the crew at Ridgeline. Thanks.